Hello, good evening, everyone. Today we will learn about the radiography testing or RT. 1. History of the radiography testing discovered by Wilhelm Röntgen in 1018 and 95. First industrial use image object in sealed container. Medical use image bones, Röntgen wave head. 2. RT standard. ASME Section 5, RT procedure for the pressure vessel. ASTM E94, E1030, E1032, RT practice and image quality. AWSD 1.1, well inspection criteria. API 1104, pipeline well inspection standard. 3. RT schematic and units. Component, radiation source, test object, detector, unit energy, KV, MeV, exposure time, second and minute, distance in centimeter or inch, film density, optical density or OD, temperature or degree C, film processing. RT technique. SWSI, single wall, single image, film inside, source outside. Then, double wall single image, film outside, source outside, external exposure. Double wall double image, film outside, source outside, optical exposure. Panoramic 360 exposure, film outside, source inside, external exposure. Then RT real time, RT digital image, advantage, internal defect detection, permanent record. Disadvantage, radiation hazard cost, interpretation complexity. Radiography test. The principle of radiography. X or gamma radiation is exposure upon a test object. Radiation is transmitted to varying degree dependent upon the density of the material through which is traveling. Thinner area and material is at least density who has darker area on the radiography. Thickness area and material of the greater density show as lighter area on radiograph. Applicable to metal, non-metal and composite. Radiography test, you see these two kind of equipment, X-ray, electricity generation, and gamma ray generated by the decay or unstable atom. Radiography test. This symbol is very common if we see on the project. This is source. Radiation beam, image quality indicator, test specimen, radiography film, radiography film with latent image after exposure. Radiography test. Density related to the degree of darkness. Contrast related to the degree of difference. Definition related to the degree of sharpness. Sensitivity related to overall quality of the radiograph. Radiograph sensitivity. Radiograph sensitivity, step or whole IQI, wiretap of IQI. You see this, and you see this one is wiretap. This one is whole type. Single wall, single image. This source, this one is well metal, and the bottom is the film. If we see from the face of the piping, you can see on the inner side is the film. IQI should be placed source side. Single wall, single image panoramic. If you see this piping, on the outside, on the top, this is film. On the bottom, also film. If you see for the pipe, on the outer is all the film. And source on the center of the piping means source come into the internal piping. IQI are placed on the film side. Source inside film, outside, and single exposure. Single exposure means is one time shoot. Double wall single image DWSI. Source on the top. This one is well metal, and then film on the bottom side. If you see from the pipe type, film on the bottom. So IQI are placed on the film side. Source outside of the film outside, multiple exposure. This technique is intended for the piping diameter over 100 mm. Double wall single image. Identification, unique identification, IQI place for the radiography. Pitch mark indicating readable film length. So this example is double wall single image. If you see this, F is identification, welding joint number 18, and if you see this one very light line, this is IQI identification on the film. So the IQI identification is essential variable, have to see during film review. Double wall double image. On the bottom is film, so IQA is placed on the source or film side. Source or set of film, multiple exposure, a minimum of 2 exposure. Double wall, double image. Identification by IQA. Short A radiograph. This image is double wall, double image. You see this one? Like the center is very dark. This very dark is piping material, and the light circle light, this one is well metal. So this one we call is elliptical radiograph. You see this number is identification 1, 4, 2, and 3. If you see the very light line, the single line, so if I counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and also some on the left side, this one we call is IQA. As I mentioned, IQA is one of the essential variable for identification of radiography film. Radiography test. So advantage, permanent record, litter surface preparation, defect identification, no material type limitation, not so relate upon operator skill, thin material. Disadvantage, expensive consumable, bulky equipment, harmful radiation, defect require significant deep in relation to the radiation beam. Slow result, very little identification of deep. Access to both sides required. Five, isotope and storage. Iridium 192 medium thickness material, cobalt 60 thick material. Very common in manufacturing. The thickness we will use is iridium 192. For the cobalt is very specific thick material. Normally for the specific project, oil, petroleum, LNG, that is the required for the high pressure plant. Storage, shielded container, and radiation safety protocol. Material inspection by the RT. Metal, steel, aluminum, and titanium. Composite, ceramic, some polymer. Limitation, no idea for the porous and very thin material. RT film cleaning. Use limit-free glove, avoid fingerprint and scratch. Use anti-static brush and film cleaning. Store in dry, cool, and environment. Film defect and acceptance criteria. Defect: porosity, slug, lack of fusion, crack. So standard ASME 5, ASME 8, AWS D1.1, API 1104. AQA is wire hole type indicator for image quality. Traceability system. Radiography traceability system to component ID, welder ID, date and time, film number, IQA use, exposure parameter. Qualification and certification. Standard ISTN, level, Level 1, performance test under supervisor. Level 2, interpreted the result, calibrate equipment. Level 3, develop procedure, train other. RT, first, other NDA method. RT, internal defect, permanent record. UT, deep penetration, portable. MT, surface, subsurface crack, ferrometric only. PT, surface crack, non-porous meter only. New development in RT. Digital radiography, real-time, no chemical. Computer radiography or CR. Reusable image plate, AI, assistant interpretation, fast defect recognition. Macrofocus X-ray, high resolution for a small part. Additional information. Safety strict radiography protocol use physical barrier, corner rock fence, or safe distance. Post warning sign, caution radiography area, do not enter when the light is on. Sign must be visible, durable, multilingual if needed. Environment protocol disable of material. Document must meet the code and client requirement, PTW. And normally 24 hours before test to be announced to the project team. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.